Okay guys, as you can see, I am ready. I wasn't able to camp in the back of my house. What did you find? Oh. Donna has to do it for me because I'm not a pro like her. Oh, it's actually going in. Watch out.
You suck.
Okay. All the eggs I'm taking. A little scrambled egg.
He even has a monkey for your foot. He'll learn to put his your body. Feel it in your tummy.
Get all that trash I gotta throw out. Remote controllers. I forgot I got some gaming controllers. Haha, they were just there. Is Lisa falling asleep? So much trash. Alright guys, this is my outfit of the day. I'm gonna wear this under, and these over. Kind of like when I was doing Uber, remember?
You have your snowsuit.
Yeah, but you said it ripped.
A little bit from the knee.
This one too, a little bit from the knee. These are pretty cheap. Huh? They were only like $30. I think so. No, actually they weren't even 30. They were 50. That's kind of expensive, huh? But they're waterproof. Bro, I was ready for this. I was training in LA and everybody was like, LA ain't that cold, bro. Low, bro. And they never ridden a motorcycle and they say that. LA ain't that cold. When you go from your house to your car with a nice heater and then go to your job, of course you're not gonna feel cold. But me, I had to go and sit on my scooter and feel all the cold all over LA. I wasn't going from point A, point B. I was working everywhere in LA. Let's go. I'll see you, family.
Bye. Be safe.
Okay, as you guys can see, I am ready for camping. Why does it look like this? Why is it so dark? Hold on, must be this. Okay guys, as you can see, I am ready to go. The only thing, if you haven't watched from the beginning, if you watched from the beginning, you'd know that I wasn't able to camp at the back of my house because I had somebody walking around there in the woods and he looked like a cholo, you know, and I didn't want to be there alone and maybe something happens to me, you know. I was a little afraid, so I'm gonna have to do the real thing and go to a national forest and go, you know. I'm gonna try it out. It's my first time. I have never done this, so wish me luck. I'm a little afraid, but let's see how it goes, man. Alright, let's go.
It was one right on my knee.
What the hell? Abandoned a car? What did you find? Oh, freaking spine.
Dude, that's insane. And what do you think this is?
I don't know.
It's
What do
like
you?
from a leg.
Oh,
Dude, what? I know. What do you think it is?
a deer.
Do you really think?
Maybe.
You think it's human? No, it's too curved. Wait, it goes this way.
Maybe a dog. Like maybe a wolf or something. Or a little coyote.
I don't know, but that's crazy.
Wow. So we got this spot right here. I guess I'll just come tomorrow. We came a little late. Yeah, Dana wants to camp too. And it looks like I'm able to camp with her. I wanted to do it alone. She wants to do it. And I mean, there's people here. As you can see. I mean, if they're doing it, I mean, we could too. But we'll come tomorrow better. I was looking for the spot and I couldn't find it. So it took so long, but I finally found it. So I'll just come back tomorrow and do it. So let's go. And why are you wearing my jacket? Why are you gonna eat my beef
It's
jerky I save
cold.
for
I
camping?
just want to try one.
What am I gonna eat when I'm camping?
Dude, it's just one.
That's
Oh, bear spray.
bear spray, yeah?
Oh.
Oh.
Are you okay?
You don't care about me?
Are you
All because of your beef, huh? All you gotta do is starve.
I'm sorry.
But no, you want beef that badly?
Oh, it has a safety guard on it. That's good. Damn. There's a bunch of mosquitoes here.
No, I don't think those are mosquitoes. Those are moths
Are they
or
really?
something like that. Nah, mosquitoes are pointy.
Thank you.
It looks like this one. This is the one you want?
Yeah. That's the dry one. Yeah.
Well, put the bear spray back. Bro, she's gonna eat my carne. This was $30. Here. You got the good kind.
Yeah, you got the dry one. Look at that.
What if it's not even good? Try it.
Smells good.
Does it taste good?
Yeah. It's
There.
like the one we ate that time.
Put it back.
No.
What?
Okay.
You ready to go?
Yeah. I can't wait to cut those plants.
Oh yeah. So this is take 2 on trying to camp. Hopefully everything goes well. Last time was a fail. We got there too late. But right now it's barely 11 a.m. isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you guys noticed I'm clearing out? Saw, man. But yeah, we're heading out already.
For just $1 when you buy any breakfast in.
I'm broke now.
The last call for clearance at Lake.
So you guys notice I usually like filling up my tank. There's a lot of people that only put like $10, $5. But what's the point when you have to use the car regardless? So why you're wasting gas always having to go to the gas station to put gas. But I understand maybe you guys don't have credit cards, or maybe you guys only have $5 on you. But I have a credit card, so you know, I could go unlimited until my balance gets full. But I always pay the full amount of the credit card at the end of the month. That's why I have that's why I have good credit. I'm trying to put 20 gallons. It's taking forever. $55. That's pretty cheap. We have arrived at Walmart to get some chicken because we're hungry. My son. Oh no, you don't know it's gonna get.
Barking at the whole world.
Vito? Now, what do we eat?
I don't know. Yeah, on TikTok.
Wow, spooky. Here to get chicken.
Look at this one, it has an eyeball.
Oh my, I'm not bringing you for camping anymore. Vamos a agarrar pollo.
Yes, let's go get chicken.
Sí, el pollo que sabe bien bueno, bro. They're gonna get mad because you're speaking Spanish. A Cadillac converter. Cadillac or Cadillac? Dude, put that back. You said you were gonna just look at yourself.
Such a pretty
No. Put that back. We're here to camp. We're not here to shop.
$10?
Dude, you gotta go back. Come on, dude.
Sale, dude.
No, you're gonna have to drive back. You know, I'm gonna walk over there now. That's for girls.
You can get a large for you.
Habla el español, so no one can
You
know.
want one or no?
Talk to me in Spanish.
¿Qué quieres?
No lo quiero. Ese no me gusta.
¿Te lo compro o no?
No, no me lo compras porque tú ni traes el dinero.
Yeah, I do.
Yo hago todo el dinero y tú no haces nada.
I'm gonna get one for you.
No, you're not. Yo, but this one does kind of look fire.
For sleeping, I guess. Yeah?
Aquí ya encontré el pollo.
What about that?
No. Ahí está el pollo.
What are these?
El polo. That's
Look.
no tenders. That's too much.
They're too unhealthy.
Yeah.
Oh, this one.
No. Put that back. We're here to camp and be like those. What do you call it when you're like making food in camp?
Primitive cooking.
We need to be primitive cooking. What is this?
I love those videos.
We're not gonna get any.
Pretend we made it.
Some huevotes. No pumpkin pies.
It's a little baby.
We have to be primitive.
84 cents. We need to get it.
Primitive cooking.
No, we can't do that.
I'm not gonna waste my 84 cents.
Doesn't like going to the store just like make you happier?
What about camping?
Those are also pumpkin.
You're a consumer. We should get a sauce.
Apple cookie.
Yo, those are big. What the hell? Healthy ones, huh?
Oh my god, look at these.
Oh my god. This is America. No? Stop it. Look at that. All this. Only $4. And look at this one. 6 of them. 6 for $1. $1. It's all cheap. This is why. Look at that. All this $2.
Oh, it looks good.
So this one $2?
No.
What is that?
For the salad I got?
I guess. That $16. It's a lot cheaper than going out to eat. Yo, they don't ask for your receipt when you exit. That's crazy. Over there in LA, you can't leave without showing your receipt. Honey could smell the dogs. We're at a dog park. Look at this. Yeah. Oh, my son. Okay, never mind. Véngase. Stops midway.
It looks more dry here though.
Oh, it's winter. I mean, almost fall's coming.
Come on.
It gets more, it's more fall quicker. Honey,
No.
go get it.
No, Benito. We need a high chair.
It's hot.
Oh,
He squashed it? He just squashed the bread like that? No, bow.
What happened to the... We should have bought like the tiny pack of disposable plates. Because we don't have any plates or anything.
This is pretty sad.
What?
We're eating just chicken with pan. We have no freaking mail.
Hold on, baby, don't. Dude, why didn't we get plates? I don't know why I didn't think of it.
My name? This is actually a real chicken sandwich. What do you call this, honey? Taco bread, chicken. I don't even know. We just put random things on it.
No.
The cigarette still has some juice in them. The crack kids in downtown would have just devoured that. They would have taken it. So what do you guys think about the pyramid? What's it called? Primitive cooking? Pretty feed me, huh?
Primitive meal.
You're not done?
No,
Thought you were done, man.
not yet.
Okay. You're so aggressive.
Don't show it.
No, we got it at Cane's. There you go. Off to camping. Our first time. We've been prolonging it so long. I'm scared to leave this chicken unsealed. Like, would a bear attack me?